Yeah, that road was super narrow. It's a great big heavy Suburban. Man, that one had completely blown out.
It's not the first time, I've popped it a lot of times.
Please move the truck forward.
Dude, it like had exploded everywhere.
everywhere.
It's got to drop off on one side, a huge ditch on the other side.
Hey, Covin.
That is what the actual parking pass looks like. They do not have one. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a call for some illegal parts. We're gonna see if we can get up here, see what we can do. See if there's any up here still. A Acura.
Yep. This is it. Okay. Let's see. It looks like we might have some scratching right down there. We have some curb rash here. Scratch right there. We got a big dent right there. Lots of scratches. That headlight's a little cracked. Yep, that's about it. Keep going. Keep going. Good. Okay. Lift it up.
That is what the actual parking pass looks like. They do not have one. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a call for a winch out on a great big Suburban.
Widow's Knob Road.
Widow's Knob Road. So we're gonna see if we can get over here, get this thing pulled out. As you can see, downtown Gatlinburg traffic is pretty horrendous. Roughly 14 minutes away over here off of Cherokee Orchard, so stick around, stay tuned, see you in a second.
Better not. Covin. Please move the truck forward. Neutral. Okay. And you're off the brakes? Yeah. Okay, yeah, just let off the brakes.
Tell them to be ready with the brakes.
And just be ready with the brake. Okay.
Be ready. Get ready.
Get ready. You're gonna have to pull forward, yeah.
If you just want to hang tight, I'm gonna pull my truck forward one more time.
Okay, let me see here. What's the address for that? I'm sorry.
Okay, guys, just got done with that winch out there. Thought we would talk about that one a little bit. Turns out it was a rental car, and as you can see from the video, there was pretty substantial front end damage there. It looked like somebody had almost tried to go and squeeze past him on the road there and had sideswiped him.
Yeah, he was going down the road and a box truck was coming up the road and he was trying to get out of the box truck's way, and that's how he ended up in the ditch.
He didn't tell me that part. I asked him if somebody had sideswiped him, and he was like, no, I tried to get it myself.
Apparently that's how the damage happened, was him trying to get it himself. But the box truck coming up was what pushed him off the road.
I see. Yeah, that road was super, super narrow, and of course it's got a drop off on one side and a huge ditch on the other side. Tough situation there. It's a great big heavy Suburban, so I just I hooked to both wheels there, got as much lift on the front as I possibly could. Finally got it drug over, used some blocks to put under that front driver wheel there. Once I did that and lowered the front back down to the ground, it relieved a lot of the pressure, all of the pressure off of that rear diff back there, so, or that rear skid plate, whatever, rear frame, subframe. Then I was able to do a low pull, and I just pulled them the rest of the way out of the ditch there. Everything auto?
Yes, I saw you guys tow my car today, the MDX?
MDX.
The black color MDX? I'm
yes,
at
sir.
your lot right now. Is anybody inside?
No, sir. I don't have anybody there right now. Are you the registered owner of the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. As long as your ID matches the registration, then I can meet you over there. It's probably going to be 5 to 10 minutes, and the cost associated.
Yeah.
The cost associated
Yes,
with the tow is.
A lot right now.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm sorry. Can you tell me what's the charge?
The charge is $100, and it has to be cash.
You have to be cash.
Yeah, and I can be there in 5 to 10 minutes.
No, I gotta get some cash. I don't have that much cash with me.
Okay. Yeah, there's a bank right up from our lot there, First Horizon Bank.
Yeah, I will go get some cash and I'll be right back. Give me a 20 minutes.
Alrighty, I'll meet you over there. As long as your ID matches the registration of the vehicle, then we can release it to you.
Okay, bye.
Alright, thank you. Hello. You're here for the Acura.
Yeah.
Do you have your ID on you? Alright, I guess the vehicle registration's inside of the shipping. Okay.
I have a picture.
Okay.
Let's use You see how much?
Are you staying at the condos there?
No, I have a store down in there. I just parked my car over there. Who called you? They call you?
It was the condos that called us for it.
It's not the first time. I parked there a lot of times.
That's their parking spot.
I know there's parking spot.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
要 registration 定係個 ID 卡得㗎？
You need ID card? Should be inside.
Do you have the actual paperwork for it?
唔係嘅。
Yeah, you're good. You're good to go.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day, guys.
Sorry.
Okay, guys. Just thought we'd talk about that illegal park, the Acura MDX.
They called us originally. The big ordeal with them is that the hotel is down below and they've got condos up top. And for whatever reason, people will go and stay at the hotel and think that it's okay to go and park in the condos spots. So they call us to go and remove them. So they showed up to the lot. They didn't call us beforehand. They kind of just showed up. We went over there after they gave us a call. Whenever they got there, they were super nice. They said that, you know, they owned a business down there in downtown Gatlinburg, and they thought that they were okay to park there, and they've been parking there for months is what they told me. So yeah, they were super cool, quick and easy pickup, super nice people.
Super quick and easy. Anyways,
Yeah, wrap up the video since
stick around, stay tuned.
I'm gonna keep going on.
See you in the next one.
Okay guys, looks like there's somebody having some troubles up here in the middle of the road, so we're gonna see if we can swoop in here and help them out. Not really sure what's going on. Looks like they've got a wheel off, maybe trying to put a spare tire on or something like that. So we're gonna see if we can pull in here and see if they need any help. Oops. I've got a screw gun, so it's on there more securely. Hopefully you're going to get a...
Oh yeah, I live just down the road.
Okay.
We'll get this taken care of. I head off the
Alrighty.
Cool. Are you guys local? Can I recommend y'all? Do you have a card?
Absolutely. Yeah, we can grab a card. Okay guys, yeah, just got done putting that lady's spare on for her. It looked like they had already had it mostly under control. I guess somebody else had stopped there to help her out. Man, that one had completely blown out.
Yeah.
Dude, it like had exploded everywhere. Literally everywhere. But luckily she was okay. She did have a spare. There was somebody else there helping her out. They had already got the other one off of there. Only thing I did was show up there, make sure that that spare was secured properly and not with just the hand tightening spare tire equipment that you get with your vehicle, which is
yeah.
I mean, it'll work if you're in a pinch, and I'm sure you could get it on there pretty securely, pretty secured. But always helpful to have a screw gun with you. So stopped in there, made sure that that was on there, had enough air in it. So she's on her way to get a new tire right now. Thank you guys for all that you do and allowing us to do free stuff like that and helping out people in need.
Stick around, stay tuned.
Stick around, stay tuned. See you in the next one. I've got to walk in for this part of the road. It's terrifying. But yeah, like I said, it was a great big, huge park hole. I pulled somebody out of the ditch over there.
Really?
Yes. Like it was straight off the cliff over there. The tree like saved it.
Whatever.
Whatever.